Hi, Brandon Reagan coming from Guaranty RV Super Centers. Want to show you this 2016 Keystone Bullet 269 RLS. It's a rear lounge. So a couple of things that you're going to notice on the front: it's got room for 2 propane tanks and 2 batteries. It's got the power front tongue jack, the rock guard at the bottom if you want to go off-road. As we come around this side, you'll see it's got a big pass-through storage, so you can fit, chairs, extra tents, camping gear. Coming along this way, it's got 2 doors, a door that leads into the bedroom here and a door that we're going to go through into the living space area. Here's going to be your outside shower and black tank flush. It is aluminum framed fiberglass coach, so that's going to help. It's an ultralight trailer. It's got a full power awning with outside speakers and a double axle correct track system, so you're going to be able to tow it a little bit better. It does have a thermal package as well, so that means it's got a heated enclosed underbelly so your lines don't hopefully freeze if you get into cold weather. So coming inside, one thing I really like about this trailer, it's got a little bit of kitchen space for prep area and a really big farm sink. So if we turn out this way, you'll see you have the big picture window with a little table in between your swivel rocking chairs. Here's your control panel where you're going to be able to check your black water, gray water, battery level, do your power awning, and the slide room. And then we've got lots of storage up above. It's going to have the pull down blinds. Here you'll have your sleeper sofa and more storage up above. Now this table breaks down. You can either take it outside underneath the awning, or it'll fit right in between your dinette and you can have another sleeping area as well. Lots of windows in this coach. It's going to have a big fridge and freezer, 3-burner stove with an oven, microwave, and again, lots of storage. Storage underneath the sink and underneath the oven. Here's your entertainment area with your IRV system, which works off of Bluetooth and USB. You can also put a DVD or CD in there. And then more storage underneath that as well. It's got a Jack and Jill bathroom, which means you can enter it from the bedroom or around from the living area. Corner shower, little sink over there, medicine cabinet, towel holder. And as you come around through the bedroom, it's a walk-around queen with wardrobe on both sides, and then more storage up above. And then just to the right here, you'll see is the entrance where you can come in and out of the bedroom as well. So if you have any more questions on this 2016 Rear Lounge Bullet, call Brandon Reagan at 541-214-0223. Thank you.